Hi, my name's Emma and I'm one of the community midwives here at Ashford and St Peter's Hospital. I'm going to talk to you today about what you need to pack when you're coming into hospital to have your baby, or even if you're planning on staying at home for a home birth. You're going to need to pack two bags. Firstly, a bag with all these things for baby and another one for yourself. I recommend that you do this around about 34 weeks and I recommend that you also take the time to be with your birth partner to show them what you've got, where everything is, because the likelihood is when you're in labour, they need to find the things for you. So I'm firstly going to talk about the things that you're going to need for baby. Firstly, you want a change bag or a rucksack, something that's a suitable smallish size but has compartments to put things into. You're going to need to pack a few different outfits for baby. We recommend that babies wear a vest underneath a baby grow, so probably 3 vests and 3 baby grows would be sufficient. You're going to need to pack nappies. I'm aware this isn't very many, but you would need to pack about a dozen nappies to bring in with your baby. We recommend not using baby wipes initially, and that you should clean your baby's bottom with cotton wool. So a packet of cotton wool or cotton rounds would be good for this. You may also want to bring a couple of hats for your baby, because babies can get quite cold quickly, particularly after delivery when they're likely to be quite wet. So a couple of newborn hats. Cellular blankets are what is recommended to keep your baby warm, because the air is able to circulate through them. So a cellular blanket for your baby. And you might also want to pack some muslins or burp cloths as well. I've also got some little mitts here, because babies often put their hands to their face and scratch their face. So just to stop that from happening, you might want to pack some of those as well. You're not going to need a huge amount of things when you're in hospital, so keeping your bag organised and just with the essentials is all you need. Just moving on to what you're going to need in your own bag, you're thinking about what you're going to need during labour and afterwards, okay? So during labour, you're going to come in whatever clothes that you're wearing, but you might want to change into something that's going to be more comfortable for labour. Whether this is an outfit that you've chosen to wear, or it might be a night dress or pyjamas, I would recommend that. So I've got here a couple of night dresses, one probably for the delivery and one for afterwards. If you're planning on using the birth pool, you might want a bikini top or similar. If you're going to be using a TENS machine, then pack your TENS machine in your bag. And don't forget that if you're coming to the hospital, you're going to be using the car park, that you'll want some change just in case for the car park. If you're using your phone for hypnobirthing, listening to music, anything like that, remember to pack your phone charger. Whilst in labour, you can find that using things like Entonox can dry your lips out, so you might find packing a lip balm would be helpful as well. The other essentials that you'll need to pack are a couple of pairs of knickers. You want to make sure these aren't small knickers, that they're going to be comfortable enough to accommodate a maternity pad for after the delivery. So I recommend packing a pack of maternity pads in your bag as well. If you're planning on breastfeeding your baby, then a nursing bra would be a good idea as well, or at least some clothing for after the delivery that would be accessible to do that. If you're packing an outfit to go home, I recommend that this is loose, comfortable, stretchy waistbands rather than tight, obstructive clothing. You want to make sure that you're going to pack a toilet bag with all of your essential toiletries, so shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, anything that you would normally use for washing purposes. You might want to pack some socks or slippers, and you might also want to pack a dressing gown.